I am Jacqueline Bulawan. I am 33 years old. I am a single mother. I have one kid. I am currently in the Philippines. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I can cook, clean the house, wash clothes, ironing, going to market, and also tutoring kids. I have experience in Hong Kong 6 years. My first employer have two kids, 3 years old and 6 years old. 6 years old, I bring them to school, pick up, and then do their homeworks together. I am a kind person, easy to deal with, have patience, good communication, and willing to learn new things with you. I prefer to work alone so I can manage my own time without any distractions. I preferred taking care of kids. I love kids so much, just like my own. I love reading books with them, playing together, and of course, tutoring. So I'm so excited to meet you. Please check my profile in Helper Library app, and thank you.